Hi friends, I am Krishna and I am your facilitator at the music session of GrainEd Multiverse Camp. Of course, there will be a lot of singing, playing of music and listening to music. But why don't we go a step further to understand and appreciate music better? Questions like is music only sound? Is silence music? Can there be music without silence? They say Beethoven, the great composer, composed his masterpiece when he was almost deaf. What does that mean? Is music not merely an auditory phenomenon? Is there something visual about it? Some say music is a language. Is poetry musical? Can there be music without poetry? Is acting musical? Music is an art, but some say music is a science. Is there anything scientific about music? What is popular music? Why do different places have different music? What has been the music of different ages? Well, friends, these are all $1,000,000 questions. Let us try to find an answer to these questions at the camp. And let me tell you, this would not be the end of your inquiry. Multiverse Camp would just be a beginning. And regarding the end of it, let me tell you, music is just like our life. There is a lot of learning to do, but at the end, it is just a mere experience. And music is going to be an unique experience to each and every one of us. So, see you at GrainEd. I will be there. Thank you.